If you have not been using this October to actively apply for jobs as a virtual assistant, you are missing a lot. Like I said it in my previous video, that this October is the right time for you to apply for a job, because a lot of organizations are making decisions and they are implementing new strategy and seeing how they can onboard new teams to join them in their business or in their organization. So I just want to encourage you to use this October very well. And before I proceed further, today I want to show you how you can find those who are actively hiring on LinkedIn. Like those profiles that when you see their profile, you will see that they are actively hiring on LinkedIn. I want to show you how to search for them. But before I proceed further, things, life is always like that. One good turns to serve another. If you have the ability to support anybody, to support any cause for free, please do so. You don't know how God is going to return all your goodness for you. You don't know how showing your willingness to help can be repaid to you. I just want to relate a winning story. I posted in a video recently that I'm looking for a volunteer, and somebody reached out to me that she's interested in volunteering. At first I was like, why is she interested in volunteering with us? But I saw her honesty, I saw her desire. She said anything that will make her learn skills, that will make her succeed in her career journey, she's ready to do it, because she believes when she volunteers she'll have experience that will make her succeed. And we began this journey with her. We began this journey with her, and she volunteered. Then I got some other tasks that I need someone to help me do. Then I gave it to her, and I started mentoring her, because if you volunteer with me, if I'm volunteering for an organization, it means you are supporting them. Then you need to get something in return, even though it is not a paid role. So I usually mentor people. I train them on how to build their personal brand, how to change their mindset, because a lot of virtual assistants are having mindset issue. It is the mindset that is affecting them, that is making them not to get the remote job. So I train their mindset, I tell them how to position themselves and how to build their personal brand. And this lady is not up to a month, it's few weeks, she got a job, a full remote job. Sometimes when I see job posts, I send it to her and I try to ask her, did you apply? She said, Adebisi, I feel I'm not qualified enough to apply for this job. Then I noticed that I told her, it is your mindset. If you want to get a job this October, tell your mind you want to get it, envision it, strategize it, and implement your strategy, and it will work for you. So I told her it is mindset that you're having, because when you self-reject yourself, even before applying for a job, nobody will pick you. You've already envisioned that it is going to fail, and it will fail. But if you envision it that it's going to be positive, it's going to be successful, that you will be picked, that you're going to make it, it will still work out. So mindset shifts is very, very important. And I'm so excited when she first sent me a message on WhatsApp that, you know, she applied for this job, and she was telling me the following up, like they called her for interview. I even tell her what she needs to do, the questions she needs to ask, that sometimes it's not something serious and the like. Then she sent a message to me that they also gave her a trial task to do, and I just told her that if you need any help, you can always reach out. In which she said, okay, if she need any help, she will reach out. But she didn't later reach out, which I believe she was able to do it successfully. And the next message I received was that, Adebisi, I got the job. I'm so excited that God used me to make this successful, because I can't say I'm the one that do it. It is God that do it. And I'm happy for her. I know she's going to perform very well, because she have that growth mindset, the ability to learn fast, adaptability, proactiveness, and she takes time. Like she do her work diligently and plan. She's well organized, so I believe she's going to perform very well. I'm just saying this to encourage you today. When I started my virtual assistant journey and I was volunteering, my mates that we graduated together during the ALS course, they'll be saying they can't do free work. They can't do free work. Why would they be doing free work? Why will I be working for people for free? I know the reason why I'm working for people for free, because I need those skills. I don't have it. I need it. And I know it's going to help me to succeed in my career journey. Let me tell you something. Those people that are saying now they are not going to work for free, they are still there looking for jobs. They are even trying to come and collaborate with me, which I'm not interested now. Because when you give people something, there is a way the universe will reward you. That's just it. So this video, I want to share my screen now, and I'll be showing you how you can search for people on LinkedIn that are actively hiring for any job or any niches you have. Either you are a virtual assistant, either you are a community manager, either you are a social media manager, either you are a project manager, any niche, even if you are an SEO writer, you can find people that are actively hiring on LinkedIn and you can start networking with them. So follow me, let me show you the video step by step. So now you must have your job application tracker on ground, which is a Google sheet containing your job post, the name of the hiring founder, the connection request, the follow up, and the jobs you have applied for. This is very, very important for you to be able to track what is working on well and what is not working on well. Very, very important when you're applying for jobs. So now the next thing is to go to your LinkedIn. Once you get to LinkedIn, you type in the job you want to apply for. Let me use the common one, virtual virtual assistant. So once you click on virtual assistant, allow it to search for it. Once you search for it, you are going to see people, you see posts about this job, but you are going to people because you want to connect with people. So you click on people. Once you click on people, Once you click on people, it's going to show you the accounts of various virtual assistants. But those are the people that you are looking for. You are looking for those who are actively hiring. So let's type in the keyword virtual. You can see it, virtual assistant. Now show results. We are not yet there because we are looking at locations. So you go to location and select the location that you want. Maybe you want United States. Click on the location, show results. So that means you don't have anybody looking for virtual assistant in the United States for now. You can tap another location that is your target location. um United Kingdom, show results. So that means there are no people hiring for virtual assistant, and this is the reason why it is important to have a niche. So let's use another keyword, social media manager. Now show results. You can see these are the exact people that you are going to meet. They are hiring for this role. So let's try this first one. So you click on their profile. You can see this person is hiring, but it is on site, so you don't have business with this. You just have to go back again to your search results. Then you go to the next one. Once you see anyone that is showing on site or hybrid, you don't need to waste your time because you will see it on their profile. They are looking for intern and it is hybrid. So this is not your target uh, audience. Then you go to the next one. This is an on-site, not remote. So you just have to take your time and search for more. So this one is not showing. Let's see the job. Maybe it is. This is actually remote and it's full time. So these are the way you can actually get this job on LinkedIn. So once you find someone that is, let's say this person now, the application is still on. The next thing is to go to their profile and send them connection request. Yes, send them personalized connection request, not just click on the connection request and send. So this is how to do it. Click on more. Once you click on more, this is how to do it. Click on more. Once you click on more, it's going to show you send personalized request. So let's wait. See it. Connect. Once you click on connect, it will say add a note. Anytime you are sending connection requests to people like this, add a note. Don't just send without adding a note. And when you are sending connection request, don't send them that you are hiring for it. You saw their job application and you just send to them like friendly way that, hey, I love connecting with people. Hey, I love connecting with people and I would love to connect with you here. Then you send the connection request to them. So after sending it, once they reply, you greet them and the conversation continues from there. So that is how to do it. Another way you can do it is to search for job posts that are looking for your target job. So you can just go to this same place and click on virtual assistant. Then once you click on virtual assistant, see posts. So you're going to see a lot of posts. This one is 1 day ago. People that are hiring for virtual assistants. Like I said, you need to be very, very careful about scammers that are online. You need to be very, very careful. So make sure you check their profile, see if they are not new accounts or if they have less followers, like 2 to 5 followers, they are scammer. So don't bother to engage in conversation with them. And you can also filter this one to the date posted. So if it is past week, past 24 hours, you click on it and it will show you the result for the past 24 hours of people that are hiring. You will see it. For instance, look at this now. This person is hiring and this is a real. When you say a job that they are telling you to do, that you're going to that they are showing you the interview process, decision making and everything about that job, those are real job that you can apply for. But if a link is directing you to Telegram, please avoid that kind of job. So you can even sort by top match or latest to make it faster so you don't waste time going back and front. Then the type of content, if it is video content, if it is job post, if it is document, everything you can stream it. Then from member, maybe you have someone in mind, you can enter their name and get results. So this is how you can make use of your LinkedIn to search for job. Like I said, this thing has to be done on a daily basis. There are times when people, they are always looking for people to hire. So make sure that you make use of this daily to search for job. So I believe this is going to really, really help you in your job search journey. So you're welcome to subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, I will answer your question in my YouTube community. Subscribe to my channel, drop your question in my community. I will respond to all your questions. Thanks for watching.